friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video we're going to be doing a decorate with me for Halloween 2020. I'm really excited to show you how we've decorated our house this year. Darcy and Olly were also really excited to decorate with me. Please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and let's get to decorating.
You are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden.
Now what I'm going to do is I will list everything down below where I got it from. I won't be able to link some of the things because I purchased them from places like B&M and Home Bargains, but the things that I purchased on Amazon I will link down below for you. So to start with, we're in the hallway and the main focal point is the staircase, and all we did here, we just wrapped it in some large kind of like faux cotton web that I got from B&M's. I got the black pack and the white pack. The large spider is from Amazon and you get 20 small spiders with it, so I'll link that down below. And we just created like a kind of giant spider's den and lair on the stairs, which looks really scary, especially when the lights are off because the red eyes glow up.
Feels like the two of us are golden, or gold, you see. Won't do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am gold, I'm golden.
Now we're just sat in the front room. I purchased a pack of 6 lightweight witches hats off of Amazon. I'll link those below. And I'd seen, basically my inspiration came from Casey Holmes on her Instagram page, and I've also seen some Pinterest images, and I wanted it to kind of look like floating witches hats. So in the kitchen we're doing like a witches party theme. So I started the hats in the hallway and then they lead on into the kitchen. So I'm just threading some cotton through the end, and then you'll see me in a second move into the hallway and then we white tack them to the ceiling.
Just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. I'm trying to breathe, but the air feels just like water. You're making me weak now. What doesn't kill you makes you. Our hands touch once or twice. We should let them in.
So I'm just giving you an overview of the hallway so you can see the hats look like they're levitating on the ceiling, and then we've got the spider on the stairs.
Doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe.
Now heading back into our front room, I wanted to utilise our log burner. So we're not quite ready to be using it just yet because although we're in autumn here, the weather isn't quite cold enough yet to be using the burner. So I wanted to utilise this in some way. And again, I saw on Pinterest, there's lots of pictures whereby people buy like these stick-on bats, and it looks like they're kind of flying out in a group. So I wanted that to look like they were coming out of the log burner. So I'll link the bats down below. I think I paid like £5.70, I'm pretty sure. It was a pack of 72, and obviously you can just use these every year. You just need to buy some more little sticky tacks to go on the back, and they're just an easy peel on off of the wall. So that's just what me and Darcy are starting with here. So we're just basically placing them, and then we kind of gather them a little bit nearer to the ceiling, and then we spray it out onto the actual ceiling itself to look like they've kind of flown out in a big group of bats.
know this could be like heaven. I am right here doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. Just give me your attention.
Now I was just moving on to the other decor pieces that I had. Now these candlesticks, they're kind of like a black glitter, battery operated. I picked these up from Home Bargains and they were £1 each. And then I also picked up this like bird cage with a skeleton of a bird inside. That was from Home Bargains, and again that was £1.99. So obviously all these pieces I will be able to use each year. So obviously we'll just pop them away in storage and then we'll be able to get them back out again for next year. But yeah, I just wanted it to kind of look like a graveyard with the bats coming out of the burner. And then I'm just popping my pumpkins that I put out when I did my fall and autumn decorate with me. They're just going back onto the grate. And then this bag of kind of like loose bones we picked up actually last year in Morrison's, and I got them just after Halloween, and I'm pretty sure I paid about £3 for them. So I'm just kind of propping the door open on the burner and then just like kind of stacking the bones just by the door. And this is what we've come up with for the front room. It looks actually so good with the bats on the wall. This is the first year I've done anything like this with the bats, and it is such a focal point when you walk straight in. Everybody who's been into my house has just been so drawn to it. So it really looks very, very, very good, and didn't cost really anything at all. So I would highly recommend these bats if you haven't used them already in your Halloween decor pieces. Just showing you here what it looks like at night when the main light is off. And this is just a Lightening Machine that we had last year. I think it was about £5 from Home Bargains. But yeah, Ollie put that on the grate, and it actually looks really good when it's kind of like flashing up at the wall. So this is what it looks like on an evening. And it's now the next day. We're moving into the kitchen, and out here we were decorating with a witches party theme. So I actually purchased this tablecloth from B&M, and it's actually really pretty on the table. It's got kind of like spider and web detail, and you can still see the wood from the table through the tablecloth. And we're not going to go trick-or-treating this year, so we're going to do like a little party for the children at home. So I've bought them some little party pieces. So these plates here, they're black with silver spiderweb detail on them. I've also got them some napkins and some paper plates. And then you'll just see me here with some lights. Now I picked these up from Morrison's last year. I got them after Halloween, so I probably only paid a couple of pounds for them. They're just battery operated. And then I've got some sweets to fill up the cauldron that's in the middle of the table. I've just got some kind of like jelly sweets and some goo eggs. I like chocolate with goo inside of them, all edible. And then following on from the hallway, I'm adding the witches' hats that are levitating from the ceiling, so it follows from the hallway into the kitchen.
What you're looking for, wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late, I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. past the sight. I've realized
I had this banner left over from last year. I'm pretty sure I got this in Home Bargains, or I've seen one very similar to this in Home Bargains, and it would have been very, very inexpensive, so I probably wouldn't have paid any more than £1, £1.50 for it, but I just felt like something was needed on the back wall, so I just popped this up, and then I had a little bit extra, so I just dangled this down just above our French doors that lead into the garden.
two separate worlds. Come back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't.
And this is what we've come up with for the kitchen. So I've just brought Ollie's light box down, and I changed the wording on there to say cheers witches, obviously to go with the witch theme. These pumpkin decor pieces, they were from Home Bargains, they were £1, and then I'm just giving you a little tour here of how it's all come together. So yeah, I really, really love the kitchen, and the kids were super excited with how it turned out.
Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
And that's going to be it for my Decorate for Halloween 2020 video. As I said, I will link everything down below that I can think of that I've shown you in this video. If I can't add a direct link, I will just pop the store where I've got it from. But if you've got any questions, then just leave me a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Subscribe if you're not already, and we will see you in our next video. Bye everybody.
That he comes to when he wants to dance.